joined people from Wipro. Okay, we came out of Wipro and we wanted to go back to farming.
Hello.
And work with farmers and groom them to be entrepreneurs. This is exactly how we got started. Initially, we started with our tiptoe operations in Tumkur district of Karnataka. So far in that cluster, we have worked with around 1,000 farmers. We're trying to groom them to be entrepreneurs. That's exactly how we have done in 13 years. We are not worked with many farmers. It's about 1,000 farmers so far. That's what is the journey. From tiptoe cluster, we started procuring organic milk from 2012. We started operations in 2010. So far from tiptoe cluster, we process around 85,000 liters of milk every day, organic milk, working with 1,000 farmers, and annual run rate is around 260 crores now.
260
crores annual run rate.
This is your revenue from operations.
Revenue from operations. Chennai cluster we started in August 2019. Okay, we established a research and development facility to understand local conditions, what fodder can be grown, how to work with farmers, etc. So far the procurement operations have not started yet. In November we are going to start procurement. So it has taken 4 years now. Around 65 farms have been certified. Okay, so
65 farms within the radius of?
Around 10 kilometers radius from here, we are certified now. It has taken 4 years now so far. So from these 65 farms, we intend to procure around 4,000 liters in month of November. That's what, and the supply to Chennai market. That's what we are thinking right now from an operations point of view.
So per day your procurement is 85,000 liters, and also processing 85,000 liters. What is your share of distribution between Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, Telangana put together?
So right now Bangalore market is around 80%. Okay, 10% is Chennai. Around 10% is Hyderabad.
Acha. So you said that you'll be commencing your. Technically, you'll be commencing your operations from Chennai. That is from month of November. What is the volume of milk you are planning to procure?
Around 4,000 liters.
Oh, 4,000 liters.
Yeah, 65 farms are there now.
Okay.
Out of that, we want to procure around 4,000 liters of milk.
Okay. And we understand that you are planning to set up a unit like Karnataka, that is processing unit Karnataka. What is the investment? What are the plans?
So right now, if you just when you came and took a turn there,
yeah.
On the right side you see there was a plant construction was going on.
Okay.
That plant we have leased out.
Okay.
We dismantled all the plant. It was an old plant.
Okay.
Now we are doing a leasehold improvement. We are investing around 10 crores in that facility now.
Oh, 10 crore.
Yes.
So you last time you told me that this is an old plant. That
old plant, exactly. That's the one.
Oh.
Okay. Now we dismantled it. Now you see just took a turn there.
Okay.
On the right side.
So it was a milk processing unit.
Milk processing plant. They have shut down their operations.
Okay.
Okay. Now we have dismantled it. We are putting our equipment, what we require. All the changes we are making.
So this is a leased out property?
It's a leased property. We are doing a leasehold now.
Okay. Just last few questions from my end. When you say your operations is 260 crore per year, that was FY23. What was your PAT or net profit?
So right now Akshayakalpa is not profitable yet. Okay. It is still a loss making. Okay, around 2% is in losses. Monthly we are losing around a crore, 4.5 rupees we are losing.
Okay. So when you are looking at break even or looking at a net profit?
Maybe we'll become a break even when we handle around 100,000 liters.
Okay, 1 lakh liters.
Yeah.
Okay. So
this year we should break even.
Okay, this year you should break even.
Yeah.
This year you are going this financial year?
This financial year, yeah.
We understand that you are also planning to expand to Hyderabad and setting up a unit there. So what are your plans?
Very similarly now we started setting up a R&D facility like this in Hyderabad.
On the outskirts of Hyderabad?
It's called a Sharpar. Okay. There we are setting up our first research farm like this.
Okay.
We set up our 25 cow unit, set up fodder plots. So that's what we are doing right now in the process now. Then it will take around 4 to 5 years before procurement starts there.
Okay.
this place will take care of Chennai region. It's quite far from the Chennai. Logistics will be very high. How you are going to manage?
No, the one reason why we selected this area is one of the most backward districts in Chennai, in Tamil Nadu. Chengalpattu, especially this near Panchayat, is one of the most backward. Primarily due to rice farming. It's a huge rice belt here. It is 3 crops a year they grow. Soils have depleted. There are a lot of challenges. We want to actually change that. That's the whole purpose of selecting this area. 90 kilometers is fine, sir. Not a big distance. 90 kilometers to Chennai, it is handled. Logistically, it's possible.
This south side also, Pondicherry, Puducherry, that also you will
Yes, we will cater to, but main primary focus right now is Chennai.
You started this venture from 27 people came out from Wipro. Do you have any plan to tap IT people further into this field?
So that was a seed funding, what is called angel funding. Okay, nobody believed us we can do something like this. Now 2019 we raised a venture capital fund, around 40 crores we raised. 2022 we raised around 17 crores money we raised. Okay, British government invested with us. Zeroda's Nitin Kamath invested with us. Okay, in 22 July.
Future plans on raising capital, sir?
So right now, next 4-5 years, okay, we would like to really focus on operations and execute the operations. So right now we are fairly well capitalized.
So your capital surplus?
Yes, 117 crores we raised in July. Now that's the reason we are expanding now. Chennai plant we are putting.
That is 2022.
2022 July.
Sir, your revenue from operations was 260 crore in FY23. What it is expected?
So we expect to do around 300 to 350 crores is the revenue expected this year.
In terms of percentage, how much percentage you are expecting grow in terms of your revenue from operations?
See, it's a good around 25 to 30% growth we are expecting.
Once the procurement from this facility or Chengalpattu starts, so what would be the composition of Chennai in terms of your business?
So I expect to by end of this year, we should be able to hit around 15% of our business should come from Chennai. That's what we are thinking.
So technically that will bring Bangalore business to 75%, right?
Yes, correct.
As far as this facility is concerned, you said that you will be processing milk, then paneer is also another product. And what are the other products that you
So
are
in this facility, we will only want 2 products. One is milk and curd.
Milk and curd.
Curd in this facility. The remaining products will get done in Tiktur only. This facility is not equipped to do lot more products. Only liquid milk and curd.
What is the number of cattle holding of this 65 farmers that you have certified so far?
So it's around 600 cows.
10 cows per...
10 cow average. There are some lot of calves are there, lot of heifers are there. Not all of them are milkers. There are a lot of breeding issues in this area. We are trying to fix it. There is a veterinarian, para-veterinarian started working with them.
So 4,000 liters per day from November, how much you are planning to increase by maybe in another 1 year or 6 months?
See, 2 years journey, if you keep 2 years journey, maybe 4,000 can go to around 10,000 liters. That's why it's a very fairly slow journey.
Exactly. Story repeated 2 months ago. See, Tamil Nadu is an emerging market, and another important aspect is, it is in the 10th position in milk procurement in the country.
Yes.
So technically, there is no big concentration or attention towards cattle breeding, particularly.
Yes.
So under such circumstances, do you think that the milk procurement rate will steadily increase in the future, sir?
So there is no option, sir. If you really go to the villages out here now, everybody have minimum 5 cows they have.
Okay.
Minimum 5 cows. Any party you go, you have minimum 5 cows. You know how much they produce? 1 liter, 2 liters, 5 liters. That has to change. Proper breeding. If you do next 2-3 years, if you do that, milk procurement actually will double. Okay, Tamil Nadu probably will come into 7th position or 6th position very easily. But breeding is what is actually killing farmers. We have seen lot of data now collected. Okay, cows don't conceive for 2 years, 3 years, conception problems. There are breeding problems, and people really don't know what's really happening. So we need to really educate them and take them into confidence and start working with them. Veterinary required, para-veterinary services, both are required.
Who has to take the responsibility? The government should take the responsibility.
See, technically, it's a government extension. Government animal husbandry department should take care. Okay, but generally that doesn't happen because of various reasons. Okay, for example, cold chain is missing. Semen is not available on time. There are a host of issues and logistics. So what now it is most of the companies what they are doing right now, they started taking control of their grid. For example, how the milk ministry is doing. Milk ministry has done a very good job. Satish has done a very good job in terms of taking charge of his catchment. Zone. Okay, giving services, giving this one. Very similarly, everybody has to do. Avin is doing a good job. See, Avin, okay, rather than depending upon government, what they have done, they have got their vets, they have got their para-vets, they are giving their services. Exactly how it is. Avin is securing their grid. So it's very important we need to move in that direction. Avin is doing a good job. So it's exactly how it is required.
So it is right to say you will be, I mean, your first unit outside Karnataka will start commence operations from November.
No.
That is correct?
Yes.
So entire milk you are processing here will be supplied to Chennai
Yes.
or 4,000 liters.
Yes.
What about Pondicherry?
So Pondicherry not my focus right now. We just want to focus on Chennai. Because last 2 years we already built a decent market in Chennai. Coming from Tipur, we want to replace it milk.
Okay, you said 10%.
10%.
So 8,500 liters per day.
Yeah, so right now we do around 2 crores, 2.5 crores monthly revenues from Chennai. 2.5 crores. Yeah.
On a daily basis, it is 8,500 liters per day.
Yeah, approximately. Products and milk put together.
Products and milk put together. What is the share of milk alone?
Milk is around 60% of that. 40% is products.
Okay.
Around 4,000 liters milk we do. Remaining all of it is product.
This plant, when it is going to be operational?
November this year.
Producing milk.
Yes.
Sir, Tamil Nadu is already a crowded market because you have the state-run oven, and you have homegrown companies like Hatson, you have Tirumala, and Dolda is also expanding in the state, and they have been there for the past 20 years. So how, I mean, and you are from a vertical of organic milk. So how do you see the demand for organic milk, and how do you see your entry into this market, because organic milk is priced a bit more than the normal pasteurized milk. So how do you see this market?
See, market doesn't exist, but market needs to be created. You have to do a lot of consumer education. What is organic milk? How it is produced? That education needs to be done. This is also an education center. A lot of people on the weekend we are calling them, explaining them what are we doing, so that they can go and talk about it. Okay, at their apartments, with their friends. That's what we are doing right now. A place where we are sitting on the weekends right now, 10 to 20 people. Okay, they are visiting us.
Already education on organic is already available. So do you require any push to go in?
No, sir. Push won't work, sir. Organic needs to be pulled. So therefore, education is critical. Once you educate them, they will ask for it. But you can't say, I got organic product, take it. No. We have to just create saying what is organic. We should start. From there, education needs to be started. Then pull will come. Okay, push won't work in organic.
You have to sensitize the people.
Yes, it's very, very important.
So what kind of initiative you have taken to sensitize the
So that's the
people?
reason now we are calling a lot of consumers here to come here and spend a day or a two here, become a farmer, work on the soil. Okay, and see what we are doing. Those are the kind of initiatives. For example, in Tiptur, last 1 year, we have hosted 10,000 consumers visiting our farmers. So that is the education required. Here also we are doing small scale. We have started 10 to 20 people. Okay, on a weekend they are coming now.
How's the response from the feedback?
Very good. Very good. They appreciate what's happening. They understand why it is required.
So out of 10 to 20 people, how many are taking your products?
Most of them. Okay, most of them who are coming here, our customers only. Basically, we are getting them here to educate where the milk is coming from, how we are producing. We need to strengthen that base. Existing customers, we need to strengthen them. Then they will go and talk. That's exactly how the whole idea is. New customers won't come. Existing customers, you have to strengthen, giving them the right information, talking to them.
So recently you expanded to Trichy, Salem and other places, right?
So you also plan to do other.
Recently we started Mumbai.
You already launched.
Yeah, and the retail we have launched. Retail stores we have launched.
But organic farming is happening only in Karnataka and Tamil Nadu.
Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Hyderabad we started.
As far as your products are concerned, you are mostly into milk, then honey, curd and yogurt, and these are the products. What are the new products that you are into?
See, right now we did a yogurt, which is without adding a sugar. All our products we have constructed without adding a sugar. That's exactly the path we have taken. That's the reason our product profile is very small. Milk, cheese, paneer, butter, ghee, curd, buttermilk, that's what we have.
So non-sugar products.
Non-sugar products, that's what we are right now doing.
You are not adding any preservative.
No, nothing. So that's the whole purpose of organics. If the organic purpose gets defeated, if we can't give that one as is to consumers.
So what about the shelf life of the product? Yogurt, 7 days.
Yeah, see, for example, buttermilk is 7 days. Yogurt is 5 days. So this is exactly how the profile gets constructed.
What is the cost of per liter? It's uniform across the 3 states, or
Yeah, it is uniform. It's a cost you're saying. So right now, half a liter costs around 45 rupees.
45 rupees per liter. Any plans of since you are pushing for organic, are you looking at selling milk using bottles? I mean glass bottles.
See, we tried right now glass in Bangalore. We tried. It's a failed experiment.
Oh.
Okay, because one glass bottle, if you want to pour, it costs 25 rupees. After 6 times, you have to replace it. They will give back. You wash it and give it back. After 6 times, chipping will happen. We can't use it. Then it's a reinvestment. There are a lot of issues with glass bottles.
This Bombay-based dairy, Parag or something.
Yes, yeah.
They supply only in bottles only for the premium customers.
Yeah, they supply, but the bottle logistics, they are supplying at 120 rupees to 150 rupees. So that's how it's expensive. We also do it in Bangalore. Around 500 consumers buy us. That costs them 125 rupees. But it is not sustainable. It won't grow.
But will there be a difference in the quality of milk?
The quality of milk actually goes down because the bottle allows the light to penetrate. Okay, it should not expose milk to light. Shelf life goes down.
Shelf life goes down. What is your shelf life in this?
2 days. In the pouch, it is 2 days. Okay, and now we have got it in tabletop paper packing. In that one, you can do it in 5 days.
Yeah. Where do you get the papers from?
So paper is from Pune, on a company called Parks.
You also import some paper from France, right?
They import. They import. Yeah.
Any plans of exports?
No, sir. You see, we are not even able to produce for our own consumption. The production is very, very slow. And right now we have got higher demand but less production.
So this 1 lakh liters you will reach by this year end, right?
Yes, this year we will do that much.
That is FY23, financial year 24.
24.
You will reach 1 lakh.
Yes.
What is it right now?
So it's 85,000. 15
That is
to
going to be
20%
huge
will.
jump, right? It's a huge. Sorry, 85,000.
15 to 20% growth. It's a normal industry that is growing. It's not very big growth.
So how many farmers will be
So we will be adding around 300 to 400 more customers, farmers this year. Right now we work with 1,000 customers, 1,000 farmers. In Chennai belt we will add around 65 this year. Next year probably we will add 65 more. So to say exactly.
balance 400, 200 will come from?
It will come from Tiptur first.